Hi guys, today I received this Kinivo HDMI Switch for reviewing purposes. It supports 8 8K quality and 60 Hertz and HDR, which is quite nice. You can use it to connect many devices and just have one output to your TV, which is very useful most of the times that you want to have some cable management, have your space more clean. As you can see here, I have ready two of my consoles so I can connect them to the TV. The HDMI switch comes with its instruction manual, which is seriously very needed because sometimes you don't know how things this works, and a controller to control if you want to switch to a specific HDMI input or simply change for the one you are to the next one. Last, we have this DC adapter, which is very compact, which is something that I like. So you connect it here, and then you connect the output in this part, and in this part the inputs. Also, in the front part, it has some LEDs that turn on when the output is on and when one of the inputs is on. Also, also it has an LED to show when the switch is on, and have this button to switch physically and closely which input you like. So I'm gonna set it up here on my bag, and I'm gonna show you how it works. Here is my TV HDMI, and we'll connect it upon the output. Okay, so as I've told you, here is the power LED, the output that is on, the input number 1 and the input number 2, which isn't on, but I'll turn it on. Now that you see, it switched from input 1 to input 2. So I'm going to show you how it looks. As you can see, it's on. It looks nice. And if I don't want to change the input manually, I can turn on the other console, and there it is. It switched from 1 to number 2, and we can switch with the control. So you can see right now it's on the input number 2 on my Xbox. We can put on the back button, just like that. You can also press the switch button here, and it switch automatically. This is quite nice because sometimes you need, oh well, sometimes you're playing on upon both consoles and you need to switch because you're not gonna use one and you don't wanna change the HDMI cable, so you just have this one, and when I move of a finger you can change the HDMI. Another thing that I quite like is that you can use it to make some cable management. You know, personally, I don't like to see that many cables out. So what I will do with this kind of switch is hide all my cables, put them in a part that they don't see or not much on the back of my furniture, something like that, and just have the HDMI going up so it looks more clean, less cluttered. So yeah, I would really recommend it. It's quite nice, very easy to use, very easy to set up.